Now, I would say Europeans should be very, very careful dealing with China. Why? History. The Chinese remember exactly, with great precision, everything that happened in the century of humiliation, which, by the way, they have for the last 30, 40 years actually suppressed because they didn't want to have that trouble China's relations with Europe. But if the Europeans start pushing China around, the Chinese will bring out the history and say, when we were weak, you didn't come and save our human rights. You put up a sign in the Shanghai park saying, no dogs and Chinese allowed in this park. Europeans have forgotten that. Chinese remember that. And when all this history surfaces, right? And I can tell you that what actually sparked the revival of China, something that also happened 100 years ago, right? When after Germany lost World War I, and China had sent, I don't know the exact figures, 400,000 to 500,000 Chinese to help the Allies in their effort against Germany. At the end of World War I, the Chinese said, we helped you so much. When we defeat Germany, the German concessions in Shandong must go back to China, since China fought with the Allies against Germany. Instead, the Allies gave it to Japan. And that started the great revival of China, because the Chinese said, this is so humiliating. We cannot accept this. Right? How many Germans, how many Europeans remember this? The Chinese, every Chinese knows this. So if you don't know the history of what Europe did to China from roughly 1842 to 1949, then you are at a great disadvantage in dealing with China.